Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 7. So this is actually a smartphone stabilizer. Okay, it helps to stabilize your smartphone. It also runs on the DJI Mimo app. It has auto tracking, so it will track your movement and then help you to record and focus on the subject itself. So let's do an unbox of it. So there's a few components inside the box. One is the holder. So this is a magnetic holder that sticks to this gimbal. So this is the gimbal itself. Okay, the DJI Osmo 7 gimbal. And then inside the box, it comes with the instructions menu. Okay, instruction menu, the guide, and also the charging cable. Okay, so let's show you the gimbal. So this is the gimbal itself. So to activate it, you just flip it open. It will auto move. Okay, and then you can actually attach this magnetic holder into the gimbal itself. So this is where you hold your mobile phone. Okay, it actually allows you to there's a joystick here that you can move it around. Okay, you can even turn this around. Okay, so there's also another button here to focus. Okay, the power button is over this side. Okay, so you have to sync to your mobile phone, okay, to actually use it. Okay, there is one comment after using this in our trip to Xinjiang. Okay, DJI, if you're listening to this, the magnetic holder, okay, is a bit dangerous. Okay, my brother's phone was using this DJI Mobile 7. He was filming, and then suddenly there was someone knocked from behind, and basically what happened next is the holder itself with the phone fell to the floor and shatters his screen. So I think the magnet here might have come loose, or was not connected properly. So basically it fell, okay, quite easily actually. So it just knocked, and then together the mobile phone, it fell to the floor. So that is the only thing that I think that this gimbal may need to improve on. Other than that, it was a very good gimbal. Okay, it has the joystick. Okay, then you can actually turn it around, forward, focus, autofocus, and then it has the stand here. Okay, so you can just put it on the ground. Okay, and then you can take photos, videos with this gimbal itself. Okay, so I think that's all about the DJI Osmo Mobile 7. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.